BOSCARE Programmable Coffee Maker 2 to 12 Cup Drip Coffee Maker, Mini Coffee Machine with Auto Shut-Off Strength Control Silver Black. A fully programmable wake up to a hot cup of coffee with fully programmable functionality. Programmable timer allows you to set brew time up to 24 hours in advance. Enjoy peaceful coffee time. The smart coffee maker will not make a noise because of the special material, glass carafe and removable filter basket included, unlike metal carafe which may generate unbearable scratching noises as you push the filter down. Simple button controls, easy to use and clean. Only 6 buttons.Refer to the user manual before use. And for troubleshooting.The permanent filter works with your favorite coffee grounds and the coffee machine is easy to clean. A large visual water reservoir allows you to brew 2 to 12 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine.Get fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. Brew Pause function non-stick warming plate, 2-hour auto shut-off for safety. Dishwasher safe glass carafe. Audible ready signal lets you know when your coffee is ready. If the carafe is broken or you received wrong item, PLS contact me soon, we can resend a new one to you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.